Now, NEO stock ended the day trading at $7.21, up 2.5%. Now, what we have been seeing onto the NEO stock, ladies and gents, is that it has been doing exceptionally well. The share price has been doing exceptionally well, and the volumes onto NEO has been really so good, above average, which is something that it's making a lot of investors to be excited. I mean, the volume yesterday at market close, it was over 130 million, which is something that shows you that a lot of big guns, a lot of people are really interested and are investing, putting money into NEO. Some of course also selling, right? But it appears that we've got more bulls than bears, which is why we've been seeing the NEO stock price always ending the day in the last couple of days on a green, which is something that we want to continue seeing. And this is mainly because even the big guns, big financial institutions, they are seeing the potential that lies within the NEO stock. It is for this reason that even their sentiment around NEO has been changing. I mean, I saw an article coming from Bizinga showing that out of all the volumes that we are seeing onto NEO, 66% of the options are bullish for NEO, whilst the 33% are bearish, right? So we have got more people that are bullish onto NEO than those that are bearish, which only means one thing, and that is we need to continue bracing ourselves for what's coming, because it is no longer us retail investors that are loading the boat, but even the big guns, those that had left the boat, those that had left NEO, they are now coming back, increasing their holdings because they see the potential that lies within this NEO stock. So I'm happy, I'm excited, and I see blue sky coming. I know pre-market today NEO is down 4%, but this does not have to make you to panic, because I mean, we can always go up in a straight line. We'll still consolidate, we'll still find some red days here and there, but this does not mean the stock price, the rally won't continue. Because of the fundamentals, because of what we're seeing onto NEO, it is with no doubt that we'll continue seeing the stock price surging. And it is for this reason that whenever I can, the low trading price or these red days that we see, or sometimes onto NEO, make me or encourage me to load the boat, increase my holdings, because I know one thing, and that is blue sky is coming. I mean, like I've said, or I've been telling you, the fact that we are seeing big guns also becoming bullish onto NEO, the fact that we saw like your CNBC also becoming bullish yesterday. I mean, someone shared a video of Jim Cramer saying hold NEO, because he trusts what Taper said, or the billionaire Taper said, and that is he's buying everything China. And to see a guy like Jim, I just hope it doesn't bring the sentiment that usually comes with his prediction, but to see that even the guys that used to be just negative onto China are becoming positive or are bullish onto China. This just shows you that blue sky is coming, and those that are persevering, those that are trading this low trading price as opportunities to load the boat will definitely be rewarded. So personally, I'm happy, I'm excited, and who knows what might happen if I get money today somewhere somehow, or if I'm able to trim some of my stocks to increase the NEO. I'll do that, because I know NEO is a company with the most potential of making me reach financial freedom. NEO is that company that is going to take me to my early retirement, because I've been loading the boat whenever I can, because I know that blue sky is coming. And thank God some of you guys have been on this stock for quite some time. You also continue remaining bullish onto the NEO stock. I mean, it was very few of us that were bullish onto NEO when it was at $3.60. It was very few of us who was saying that NEO has got a potential to grow, or it's set for greatness, because so many of the people, even the big guns, big financial institutions, were bearish onto NEO. They were so negative onto NEO, and to see them coming again and join us again, it is something that shows you that you need to focus on the long term, focus on where NEO could be in the future, and not just trade or invest onto NEO based on what you see today, or based on what you might read coming from some of the big financial institutions that are bearish or negative onto NEO. So yeah, man, I'm very happy, I'm very excited about these volumes that we've been seeing onto NEO, and I think they are definitely showing us the potential what NEO can bring in the future. I mean, some of the people are still saying that $10 we might not see it this year. Some are saying it will come at exactly at the end of the year, which the way things are unfolding, as I said yesterday, I'll say it again now, I think $10 might come way before than what many people are expecting or anticipating, because of the current fundamentals, because of what we are seeing China doing to boost their companies like NEO. We are definitely going to see NEO doing exceptionally well and maybe getting to the $10 way before than what so many people are anticipating. So I look forward to what NEO will finish this year trading at. I look forward to the kind of deliveries that NEO is going to deliver in October, November and December. Q4 earnings, I look forward, because this will be much different from the kind of earnings we are going to see for Q3. Q3, you know that NEO sold over 61,000 deliveries, and Q4 NEO has got a potential to sell almost 100k or over 80,000 deliveries, which we look forward to that, and I think it will come. Those that are persevering will definitely be rewarded. That's a showcase. I think we'll be very surprised from the earnings that will come for Q4, which we should get by sometime March of next year. So yeah, brace yourselves for what's coming. I think from here we can just see, all we see is bullish stuff, which will also bring a huge impact onto the stock price of NEO. So share price wise, if you are still thinking that NEO is going to head towards the 52-week low of $3.60, you have to think again, because the NEO that we are seeing now is not the NEO we were seeing a month ago. It's not the NEO we were seeing 6 months ago, a year ago. This is the total completely new NEO, which has a massive potential to do great things in the future, and therefore stock price wise we don't expect the share price to go down, but we expect more up days than down days, because blue sky is coming. The markets also realize the potential that lies within this NEO stock. Otherwise, with all that, I just thought I'd just give you this quick update. Tell me what you think about this recent trading prices of NEO. I think this is amazing, and it encourages us to load the boat, continue increasing our holdings onto the NEO stock. And by the way, you know that of course I'm not saying go buy, go increase, but what you do with your money, it's up to you. I'm just giving you my opinions as I always do or always say. So yeah, man, do your own due diligence. That's all from me, and God bless you all.